Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever booked a trip on Travelocity and need to cancel it, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to cancel reservation on Travelocity 2025. With Travelocity's updated interface for 2025, the process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. This is perfect if you're dealing with last-minute changes or just want to avoid any hidden fees. First things first, grab your device and head over to the Travelocity website or open their app. Start by logging into your account using your email and password. If you don't remember your login details, hit the Forgot Password option and follow the prompts. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Trips section, usually found at the top of the homepage. Here, you'll see a list of all your upcoming reservations. Click on the specific trip you want to cancel. Travelocity's 2025 update makes this easier with a more intuitive dashboard, so look for the reservation details page. On the reservation page, scroll down until you find the Manage Booking or Cancel Reservation button. Click that, and you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. Double-check the details to ensure you're canceling the right trip. Nobody wants that mix-up. Then, select Cancel and follow any additional prompts, like entering a reason for cancellation if required. After you confirm, Travelocity will process your request. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message, which usually arrives within minutes. One important tip: always check the cancellation policy before you book, as fees might apply based on how close you are to your travel date. For 2025, Travelocity has introduced more flexible options for certain bookings, so that could work in your favor. If you run into any issues, don't panic. Head to the help section or contact customer support via chat or phone. They're available 24/7. And there you have it. You've just canceled your reservation hassle-free. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel hacks, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Safe travels.